Hi guys, welcome to another episode of Global Macro Flow with Fisayo. So today's topic is Forex trading a sin? So what is Forex trading? Forex trading is simply buying or selling currency pairs to profit from relative price movement between them. So it's basically a bet on a currency that it will move in a direction relative to another currency, and that direction movement will give you a profit or a loss, a gain or a loss. Hold on, did you hear that word? Betting. Bet. That talks about, anytime we talk about betting, most times people refer to it as gambling. So what is gambling? Gambling is also having a bet on a particular instrument that results in either gain or loss. So that instrument could be race horses, football games, wide range of things, elections, so many things that could be done there. Bet on them in respect of gain or loss. So you could see similarities there: betting, forex trading, investment, gambling. What are their similarities? The first thing is that they all involve putting a stake in expectation of events going your way, and when those events go in your way, the value of your stake increases. Then the second thing common to all of them is that one person's loss is another man's gain, and that's the truth. That is life. Can I tell you something? Even your salary, to yourself it's a gain, but to your employer it's a loss. Check their income statement. You will see cost of labor. That cost of labor is actually your own gain as salary. So that is life. One person's loss and another person's gain. So if that is the case, are there differences between forex trading, gambling, and investment? Let's go to the Bible. Let me not give you my own opinion. What does the Bible say in Proverbs chapter 13 verse 11? It says, wealth gained from haste will dwindle, but he who gathers little by little will increase it. And then if we check the NLT version, it says, wealth from get-rich schemes quickly disappears, but wealth from hard work grows over time. So that scripture gives us a meter against which to check gambling versus forex trading or versus investment, or all those combined together, to weigh them together. The first thing is that there has to be work attached to what you're doing for it not to be gambling. So in gambling, there is no work attached to it. You look at the lottery, for example, you just put in your money somewhere, and all of a sudden you go sleep, and you just hear, oh, your ticket was the winning ticket, and that's just it. 100 million pounds comes in. The second thing is there is no hard work. You can remember that scripture we just talked about. No economic duty or work done by that money. Because someone might say, you know what, I'm not working, but my money is working. You look at it, okay, is there any work that this money is doing? Is there? Look at the example of Tony Lumelu, the former MD or CEO of UBA Bank. How he still gets a share of the profits from UBA Bank. How is that possible? He's got shares in the company, stock. And though he might not be going there to work every day, that money is doing something. It's the capital of the business. They lend that money out, they buy things with that money, and they sell it later, things like that. And that money is generating more money. So the money is actually doing some economic duty. He might not be there working physically, but the money is doing some economic duty. So that is that for knowing what is gambling and what is not in regards to the scripture. So now, based on that verse, can we now analyze forex trading? Is it gambling? First of all, the first thing is you have to work. Do you work in forex trading? Oh boy, you work. There are at least 100 tools and indicators that people use to do like different form of analysis. People might just use one or two, but there's so much work to be done, and that's just the planning work. What of the emotional work? Imagine investing, putting in a trade, and then seeing unlike other forms of businesses, in forex trading, you see on the platform your profit or loss immediately. Not many people have that emotional stamina to see maybe losses happening in real time. That's the emotional work combined with the physical and mental work that you have to do. So it involves a lot of work. And the second thing is the money actually doing some emotional work. Yes, Because the truth is that as you're buying currencies, the other person selling currency to you, or if you're selling currency, the other person buying to you, they range from different forms of people. It could be school fees payers, people paying school fees for their children in foreign countries. It could be importers going to get goods abroad, or exporters who have got money from people who bought their goods and need to change it to their home currency. It could be investors in other countries. Maybe someone is an investor in America. He lives in America and wants to buy UK stocks. He needs to change his dollar to pounds. So he needs to have someone who is willing to change pounds to dollar to complete his trade so that he could have the deal. So you can see so many people are involved in the currency business who are not necessarily there for money. So you are providing the liquidity. It's just like a bank. The bank might not be interested in, let's say, cement business, but they provide that liquidity to a building construction business so that that business can do their job, and then when the time they make a profit, maybe by the sale of that building, they return some money back. So it's similar to what you're doing. So your money is going in to make liquidity work in the economic system. Yes, I know about dealing desk brokers and things like that, but generally what I've spoken about is the economic benefits of forex trading. So I want to put it to you, from what I've said as well, it's clear that if you just invest your money blindly, if you don't do any work or analysis behind it, or you don't see that this money is actually being invested in a scheme that adds economic value, then you are also gambling, and that's a sin. So we should make sure anytime we are investing, we follow the rules in Proverbs chapter 13, verse 11. So this time around, I want to ask you, is there anything you want to add? Is there anything you disagree with what I said? Put it in the comment section below, or send us an email, or send us a tweet. God bless you. Take care. Bye.